If your Pokemon Go AR mode just stopped working, maybe you're getting a black screen, maybe it keeps telling you to find a flat surface and nothing happens, or maybe it just crashes every single time you try to use it. I've been there, and in the next 2 minutes, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix it, step by step. Before we jump into the fixes, here's why this happens. AR mode in Pokemon Go relies on your phone's camera and its AR framework. That's ARCore on Android and ARKit on iPhones. If any of these three things are off, camera permissions, the AR service, or an outdated app, your AR mode is going to break. Good news, every single one of these is easy to fix. Let's go. Fix number 1, and honestly, this solves it for most people, check your camera permission. On Android, go to Settings, then Apps. Find Pokemon Go, tap Permissions, and make sure Camera is set to Allow or Allow only while using the app. On iPhone, go to Settings, scroll down to Pokemon Go, and toggle Camera on. This gets missed a lot, especially after a system update. Your phone sometimes resets app permissions without telling you. Fix number 2. Go into Pokemon Go itself. Tap the Pokeball menu, then Settings, scroll down until you see the AR section. You might see options like Niantic AR or AR+. Toggle it off, wait a few seconds, then toggle it back on. This forces the game to reinitialize the AR connection with your camera. If you had AR+ enabled, try switching to basic AR mode. It's less demanding on your phone and works on way more devices. Fix number 3. This is the one most people don't know about. If you're on Android, open the Google Play Store and search for Google Play Services for AR. If there's an update available, install it immediately. If it's already up to date, try uninstalling and reinstalling it. This resets the AR engine your phone uses. On iPhone, AR is baked into iOS through ARKit, so make sure your iPhone is running the latest iOS version. Go to Settings, General, Software Update. Also, and this is important, not every phone supports AR. If you're on a budget phone or an older model, your device might simply not have AR capability. I'll leave a link to the supported device list in the description. Fix number 4, the nuclear option. Clear your Pokemon Go cache. On Android, go to Settings, Apps, Pokemon Go, Storage, then tap Clear Cache. Do not tap Clear Data. That won't delete your account, but clearing cache is usually enough. If none of the above worked, uninstall Pokemon Go completely and reinstall it fresh from the App Store or Play Store. Re-log in with your account and try AR mode again. And just like that, AR mode is back. Camera's working, the Pokemon is right there on my desk, and we're catching it. No black screen, no crash, no errors. Problem solved. Now, before you go, quick bonus tip. If you're tired of AR issues, or honestly tired of walking 10 kilometers just to hatch one egg, there's a smarter way to play. It's called PoGoskill, and it basically lets you play Pokemon Go from anywhere in the world right from your couch. You get a GPS joystick to move around freely, one-click teleport to catch region-exclusive Pokemon like Klefki in Paris or Kangaskhan in Australia, and a built-in cooldown timer so your account stays safe. The best part? It works on both iOS and Android. No jailbreak, no root, no complicated setup. You literally just connect your phone and start playing. I'll leave a link to PoGoskill in the description and the pinned comment. Trust me, once you try it, you're not going back. Alright, and if you're still stuck, leave your phone model below and I'll personally help you figure it out. Hit that like button if this saved you some frustration and subscribe so you never miss a Pokemon Go fix. See you in the next one.